Well, hello, it's the 24th of March 2020, and here you are with Dan. So, with all the goings on, I thought today that I would do a spring garden tour and we can look at some beautiful flowers together and look forward to all the fruits and vegetables to come. How about we all do that? Right, without further what loads, I'm going to take you round and we're going to have a look together. Right. Here you are. So look at this look. Now, this bed here gets quite a nice bit of sunshine in the morning, and I'm really starting to feel the soil warming up. So isn't that very, very good? Look at them broad beans. So, look at that. Look, the Komatsuna's doing well, and under here the spinach and the kale and the chard and the odd bit of Komatsuna is doing very well as well. You can just see the spinach growing. And nut spinach, so that's kale, you see. I do this because at this early stage they're particularly vulnerable to birds, you see, so it just gives them a little higher chance of success, so that's very, very good. The spring onion's looking good, corn salad, lamb's lettuce, and look at this beautiful Komatsuna here. This is really something that I'm recommending people grow, because it's a great vegetable, because it's cold tolerant and drought resistant, so a good crop for the summer and the winter. Of course, it will not like very, very warm temperatures, like, for example, you know, in a polytunnel in the middle of summer, something like that, but just a great thing to grow all round, really. Now look at these raspberries, don't these look amazing? And this is variety Golden Queen, and I'm expecting epic crops off of this year. Look how lovely and green and gorgeous that looks. And you can see here, look, I've got this lovely shoots coming up for next year's growth, look, of these raspberries. You see how many they are, so prolific. And this is the thing you see with raspberries, you know, you can buy yourself a few canes, and a few years later you've got this beauty coming up, and I'm going to be able to transplant these, move them around, do swapsies with people, and these raspberries are incredibly sweet, I tell you, and they're just really, really lovely, and they're going to just be, it's going to be laden with fruit. How amazing is that? And I often say to people, you know, if you don't have much space, raspberries can be a great thing to grow, because you get such a big crop for the amount of space they take up. I mean, imagine if that was sort of tied up just around there, how little space that takes up. What's that, 1 square foot maybe, something like that, and you just get a huge crop. Very, very good indeed. And you can get autumn fruiting ones, you get summer fruiting ones, all different varieties. Just such a great thing to grow are indeed raspberries. And the blueberries, look, they're really, really starting to come out now. Really, really happy with that. And you may be aware I gave them the ericaceous feed the other day, and a bit of the balanced fertiliser granular feed, and it's actually an organic one, and also the liquid feed as well, ericaceous drench and things, and they really are coming on, so just going to be beautiful. Look at that sky, look, peepee weeps. Look how lovely and blue that is. So I put these daffs in, and look, gorgeous, beautiful. Gooseberries, now look at these, it's starting to leaf out beautifully. The warmer temperatures we've been getting during the day has really helped to advance things here, but you know, these are a great thing to grow, gooseberries, because you can take cuttings from them, and they do so well in our climate. The crop is beautiful tasting, just a great thing to grow. You have to be careful with the spines when you pick them, because one can cause a little injury there. But there is a variety called Careless, which allegedly doesn't have any spines on it, so that hence the name Careless. You can be a little bit careless, as the name suggests, when picking them, because they don't have spines. And there's so many. These are Hinonmaki Green and Hinonmaki Red, and this one is Invicta. And here, look, I put some more tulips, or I put some tulips in here. Don't they look? Look, they're going to come out soon, and it's going to be lovely. Look at that, look. More daffs here. Look at this plum tree, laden with blossom. Just hope it's laden with plums as well. Variety Jubilee, gorgeous, absolutely fantastic. And here, remember these grafts I did? Got a bit more grafting to do this coming weekend.